Hi, suppose this is the file that you get from the mail. Just rename it with .zip extension. Now this will be a zip file. Extract this zip file. You will give the folder. Now this folder contains your NetBeans projects. This is the NetBeans project folder, and these are the some supporting jar files. Now go to the NetBeans. Open that project that I have stored over here. This is the NetBeans project. Now open it. See, now it's showing some error because you not yet added the jar files. So go to the library, add jar, that folder, add all these files. Now let it complete its process. Once it completing processing, the errors will gone. Now you will find all the files are error free. Just right click the project and press the run. Now first of all, to run this project you need to have some images as a dataset. Here I am already created a dataset that will distinguish each image from each other so that we can confirm the clustering. Fine. Now this is the dataset of only 15 images. I have take only 15 images because it will take only 1 or 2 minutes to complete whole the procedure. If we take more images like 100 or 200 or 300, it will take little bit time. That's why for demonstration I will take only this amount of images which are distinct from each other. That's why we can identify the clustering. Now let's start. How we run the project is just right click the project and run. Here is the project. Click process, load your dataset directory that we have just stored over here. Dataset, just click the dataset, means this is the path of your dataset. Select. Now see, here are the images that we have used. This resize button is to see the images in this frame. If your image is greater than this frame, it will be not shown properly. That's time you can use this resize button to show the cropped images, or you can say resized image. This button will not affect any further processing. It's just used for image to be shown here. Now press the next button. Now these are the steps to be proceed. See, the number of images, the number of dimensions shown over here means the number of features we're going to extract, means each image from each image. Now means we're going to extract 256 features from each image. We'll proceed with the extraction. Now see, this extraction has been started and will complete within few seconds. Now 15 images have been completed. Save data file. Now the all features that we have extracted is saved in the similar folder from where we have picked up our dataset. See, this is the feature file that we have extracted. Now normalization. What normalization will do? It just normalize each feature in a specific range. Means suppose two images are identical but of different size. Means suppose one image with 500 by 500 dimension and other image identical to the first image but having size 1000 by 1000. The features extracted from these two images will be different, but if we normalize these features, it will come to the same standard, or you can say same range, so that we can compare that images. Now proceed to next. Here it will ask for load the dataset matrix, means this file, the file that we have saved over here. Okay. Just go to the folder and select that file. Select. See, it's showing that 15 records mean 15 images with 256 dimensions. Now load feature matrix. Feature matrix means each image as a row and each dimension as a column. That will be your feature matrix. Transpose. Now after transpose, each record will be the dimension, means, or you can say feature. Each row will be the feature. Due to this, we can compare image feature by feature, or you can say you can identify the feature point of the each image after this transpose. Now here we are going to finalize our step, that is clustering, with the help of KNN. First of all, we need to process the initialize the clustering. If you know about the k-means, you will get that initialization of the k-means will randomly select the cluster points. Now process the clustering. See, it will finish within few seconds, but for the large number of images it will take a little bit time. Process clustering. Now it will start iteration and complete within few milliseconds. Iteration means unless and until your centroid gets stable, it continues to the iterate. Once the centroid will be get stable, it stop iteration and finalize the clusters. And now final button will be the show cluster. Up to this you will find the final clusters in this folder. See, the clusters have been formed. Now this third cluster remains empty because there is no centroid found here. Okay. The result will change according to the number of images and the dataset that you have taken. And one more thing that affect clustering is the number of clusters. If we change the number of cluster, result will change. Okay, fine. And this is the output of the project, or you can say final demo. If you have any query, just reply to the mail. Thank you.